Until now, most retail investors have been forced to rely on quarterly conference calls, talking heads, and media outsiders. The information gets diluted. Smart investors know that the best information is straight from the source. Hi, I'm Joanna Makris. I worked on Wall Street for over 20 years finding the best tech investments, and now I'm bringing that edge and my experience and connections directly to you and taking you behind the wall. Investing is all about getting ahead of the pack. My mission is to keep you on the cutting edge of the cutting edge. So join the Behind the Wall series at Investor Place, where together we will get up close and personal with today's business leaders, industry experts, and money managers. I'll be asking the questions that matter to you and getting answers that are normally only heard by institutional investors. Let's level the playing field together and explore what happens behind the wall.